Howdy mates, good morning. It is Saturday, March 20th, 2021, and it is now officially spring. Yes, it's about time. So now we're at the day where we have an equinox, which essentially means in both the northern and the southern hemisphere of our planet, will receive exactly 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of nighttime. But aside from that, I wanted to point out this rock outcrop that you can find at the Taylorsville Metropark, which is near the town of Huber Heights. And it's been a hot minute since I've visited this one. So the particular rock that you can find here is your Brassfield Limestone. And what's fascinating about the Brassfield Limestone is it is one of the deepest rock faces that you can find in the local geologic strata. Oh, look at that. You kind of have some tiny little stalactites that are forming here due to that calcium carbonate. Wow, you kind of have like a little tiny cave, or the beginnings of one. Brassfield Limestone you can also see at the John Bryan State Park, and a way that you can help distinguish is you kind of have like this little fracturing in here. It's almost as if you're looking at, I don't know, like a pile of paper. I don't know. That was just something I had to make up right away. But you figure the fracturing that happens in the rock over time, you have both vertical, and usually most times when the rock face breaks off of the cliff, there usually is a horizontal fracture as well. So it's always perpendicular. It's quite fascinating, as a matter of fact. But just imagine, you're looking at this limestone, and this was once part of, say, a coral reef, back when Ohio used to be in a tropical region. It's amazing. I mean, you just think, like, say you're in the state of Florida, and you're at the beach, and you see these coral reefs. Well, this once had the same exact type of environment. And as you can see underneath, so like right there, where it kind of forms that recess, that is your Massey shale. And shale typically is much more erosive, and that's just because the hardness of it isn't as strong as that of the Brassfield limestone. So that's why essentially a lot of this rock face has broken off in the past. So all these rocks that you see lying here are simply a result of physical weathering. Yep, a natural spring. Great day too. Hopefully it warms up a little bit. Could use some warmth. Alrighty. Thought I would share that with you guys. Hope you learned something out of the video. Might share something regarding Brassfield Limestone so you guys can learn further about it. This seems like some of the only areas where you can actually see it, because usually it is quite submerged into the ground. So, unique opportunity. I hope all of you enjoy your Saturday, and Journey on a Journey is out. Take care, folks.